In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your GroupMe app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you've gone ahead and downloaded the GroupMe app and you've created a new account. Now from there, I'm going to show you how to use it. So I'm going to open up GroupMe. So I've just done the verification process with my phone number. Now from here, you can click skip or you can read. So let's have a read. So you can see fun group chats, say more of rich media, create events and send invitations, and then you can start your first group. So from here, if you want to start your first group, go ahead and click on get started and give your group a name. So I'm just going to call this group 1, add a description. So I'm just going to type in test, like so. And now I'm going to go ahead and you can set an avatar, which is optional. I'm inside my photo gallery, so I'm just going to pick a random avatar. I'm just going to use for demonstration purposes. So now I'm going to use that. And now I'm going to click the tick button up the top here. Now it's going to create the group. Now from here, if you want to add members, so you can share to Snapchat or you can share this to Facebook Messenger, Instagram, DMs, TikTok, wherever you like to share. You can also type a name, email address or phone number up here as well. So I'm just going to skip this for now. Now it says your group is ready. So here's a few options to make it your own. So if you want to require member approval, toggle that on. And then add a join question. So if you want to add a join question, so I could say secret word 1. So when someone requests to join, ask them this question. And then also who can find this. So you want to make anyone, so anyone in GroupMe can find the group. You can have that enabled, and you can also add a location. So if you want to find a location, add a location, or you can have it hidden. So I'm going to keep this hidden. Now I'm going to click on done. So as you can see, I've created this group 1 and start your group chat. So obviously you need to add people to start your group chat. So you can click on add people, or you can share the group to your different platforms like Facebook Messenger, text message, etc. Now I'm going to click on the back button here. Click on OK. So you can allow GroupMe to access your content.